Alright guys, what I got going on today is, well, I'm fixing someone else's ball up. Mess up, screw up, whatever you want to call it. You can say the F word if you want. I try not to cuss that much. But anyways, I'm going to show you on this model here, because what I got going on is I got some S10s here. I got a bunch of them right now here at the shop. And the one out here in the lot is an 05 of an 01, which still technically makes this an 01, right? This one sitting inside this doorway is also an 01. And let me show you that on its doors. Something I noticed on them, and that's why I'm also making the video, and something else about the truck here I'm going to tell you in a second. See, we got 11 of 2000. See that? So that's going to make this a 2001 model. Technically, underneath the hood, it probably says confirms a 2001. Well, the story behind this little S10 here was customer took it after he had control arms put on by another guy who's a mechanic in the area who actually claims he's the greatest in the area. He goes around saying he's the greatest mechanic there ever was in Duquesne, or this little city I'm living in here. But yeah, I'm fixing his screw up today. See, because I don't know, I went to look at the other ones. That's how I know the suspensions are different between these two model S10s. Basically, they're both 01. They have a different suspension on them, different upper control arms. The control arms are the right control arms for this truck here, but from what the alignment place was saying, that where this guy took it to after the other guy installed the control arms on, they said the control arms are on the wrong side of the vehicle. So I'm going to swap them around and see what happens. As you can see, the rim's been rubbing there, and not to mention it's chewing up the inside of the rim, the wheel, and also just the way this whole control arm is just sitting. Look at the brake hose over here. It's like laying on the brake hose. Like the guy that put these in basically said, oh, well, you need to go get a line, I guess, to the customer, and they figured that's what it needed, so they went to try to get a line, you know, at another place, until that place told them, nope, nah, it's not the alignment is the issue. The issue is whoever put your control arms on, put them on backwards, basically. Put them on wrong. You got the left on the right and the right on the left. So, and then he tried to go back to that guy, and that guy's basically not trying to help him now. Don't want to do the job over, so they end up here at my shop, and here I am about to try to fix the little S10. But that's the other thing, like I've shown you both models here. Now look at this. Totally different setup on the control arms. It's just a totally different style. And you can see that. It's just different. So I don't know what, you know, I guess they stopped doing this style, or let's say they had two different suspension packages on these models. I don't know. That's probably more likely what it is, for them having different style on the control arms, because basically I walked out here to look at this one to see what they look like on that one, position wise, and it was just a totally different control arm. Same with the little one on the rack in there. Got another one. It's like it's S10 day here. But yep, I'm about to swap these control arms around on this, see if it fixes his issue, and then I'll tell him, let him go get his truck lined up after that. Hopefully the rim won't be rubbing no more, and they'll be all sitting correctly. And I agree with them. I mean, that's got to be what's going on here. They got the control arms on the opposite side of the truck. Yeah. Oh, shit happens, I guess. Anyways, figure I'd share this because I don't see this every day. How often do you see a truck come in with control arms on the wrong side? You know, from somebody else's work, and you got to go over it. One of the wilder ones I've seen yet. The guy drove it in here. The wheels are in, the camera is so off on it, it's unreal. It's just rubbing away on the inside of the control arm. There's, like I said, it's just crazy. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please sub, comment, let me know what you think, and yeah, if you have any info on these trucks, like I said, leave them in the comments because I like that. Thank you very much for watching. Later.